Hi everyone. Students, in the last video we have seen the one of the property, that is ratio of areas of two triangles. We know the property is ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the product of the ratio of their bases and corresponding heights. Today we are going to solve the one of the activity based on above property. The here is the property on a board, activity on a board. Now that activity weightage in the exam, board exam, it will be of 3 marks. What is the activity? They have given us one of the triangle, that is PQR, and they have mentioned us the segment PS is perpendicular to RQ, that thing, and QT is perpendicular to PR, and also mention us the lengths of some segments. With the help of that thing we have to find out the length of segment QT. The base to solve the activity or the property in the last video we have discussed already is the formula to calculate area of a triangle, that is 1/2 base into height. Now when you are going to solve any activity, some terms or some steps they are mentioned you already as a hint. Using those hints, you have to mention the required terms in the given brackets. In this way, after solving, you will get the required term. This is the way to solve any activity. Related to the above activity, they have given us PS perpendicular to RQ. PS perpendicular to RQ. We know the formula, just we have explained before, 1/2 base into height to calculate area of any triangle. Here is base, here is related height. So area of a triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 into base into height. So base is RQ. So I am mentioning that term, RQ, into related height is PS. Now moving forward, similarly QT perpendicular to PR. QT perpendicular to PR. So same thing, area of a triangle PQR is equal to again 1/2 into base into height. Base will be now PR. So I am mentioning that thing, PR into related height is QT. In both steps we have calculated the term, that is area of a triangle PQR. They have mentioned that thing as a equation 1 and this step as a equation 2. So the next thing, from 1 and 2, we calculated already area of a triangle PQR in both ways. We can calculate. So we can consider LHS of both equation is same. So you can compare RHS of both equations. 1/2 into RQ into PS is equal to half into PR into QT from equation 1 and 2. Now in next step, when you are going to observe, you will come to know that half is get cancelled. We know by multiplying 2 we can cancel half in simplification. So the remaining terms are same RQ as it is, and PR they have mentioned already. So remaining term in the next bracket, that is QT. You are going to observe this step. Next thing, we have to use the terms they have mentioned already. Which are those? RQ6, PS6 and PR12. We have to substitute those values as per requirement. RQ is 6, PS is also 6, and PR they have given us as a 12, QT as it is. Simplify 6 the 6 is 36. Multiply 2 after transposition, it will be divided. So it occurs at a denominator stage. After simplification, 12 3s are 36. You get your answer QT as a 3. Thank you, students.